Well, good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Thursday morning. The severe weather threat done for a few days. Still some wraparound showers, though, on the backside of our system, which lifts to the northeast here. That'll continue pushing northeastward this morning. Strong winds out of the west-northwest throughout the day. Maybe a couple of pop-up showers this afternoon. Those will fizzle out this evening. We'll see mostly clear skies. Winds will die down, but the winds will pick back up tomorrow. Maybe some wraparound showers. That low pressure system still in our area could wrap some rain back into northern Nebraska tomorrow. It's going to be quite cool there because of it. So warmer the farther south you go, and it's going to be another windy day on the way. Northwest winds will be strong on your Friday. Gusts the next couple of days, today and tomorrow, maybe at times up to 45 miles per hour. Tomorrow night the winds die down. It's going to be kind of a chilly-ish night out there. Not cold enough for frost or freezing temperatures, but still pretty chilly out there. And then as we look at your Saturday, it should be a really nice day, actually. Not as windy, but still a little breezy out there before we start to see rain chances return Saturday night to Sunday. And then eventually more thunderstorm chances and potentially severe weather as well. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center highlighting two areas here. This is Sunday's threat right here, and then Monday right in here. Now, this is early. It's days 4 and 5. There is a lot to be figured out yet. I'll tell you right now that models are showing anything from a ton of severe weather to just a little bit of severe weather each one of these days, depending on which model you trust. Well, that just means basically there's still a lot of uncertainty. So there is the chance of severe weather. It's also going to mess with our high temperatures those days as well. We could be much warmer than expected or cooler, depending on where exactly our frontal boundary is set up. Well, highs for today, 60s up to the north, 70s for a lot of us with some low 80s in the southeast, 40s and 50s for lows tonight. And then for tomorrow, looking up north with the rain moving back in, only in the 50s in northern Nebraska, 60s other parts of the northern half of Nebraska, and then some 70s farther to the south for high temperatures. Tomorrow night, this is our chilliest night ahead of us, upper 30s and low to mid 40s for most locations. Saturday looks like a really pleasant day. The winds won't be as strong, just a little breezy. 60s up north, mid and upper 60s, and then the rest of us in the 70s for highs on Saturday. Saturday night, mostly 40s and lower, 50s for lows, and as we look ahead to Sunday, 60s and 70s, but this will all depend on how far north a warm front can get. And with similar temperatures possible Monday, that also is going to really depend on a warm front moving into our area as we start to see these off and on thunderstorm chances returning to the forecast. So dry the next 3 days, rain chances maybe as early as Saturday night. They get a little bit better those late Sunday into Sunday night, and these off and on chances that really favor the end of the day and into the nighttime hours, and then maybe lasting through the next morning as we go through the weekend and early next week here. Maybe some cooler weather Tuesday. We still could potentially see severe weather on Tuesday. It's a little more iffy. It will really depend on how quick moving the system is to move out of here or not. But we'll have to keep an eye on that as well. But it does look like we'll cool down for a few days, then warm back up later on next week, and we may move back into a drier weather pattern once again down the road. So rain is wrapped up in North Platte this morning. It's done, so I'm going to take it out of that 7-day forecast, even though it's there. But it's done now at the point of this recording here shortly after 7 o'clock. Next chances will come late Saturday night and into Sunday. And again, just like the Tri-City, some off and on thunderstorm chances, potentially severe weather. And temperatures any one of those days, but especially Monday, could end up being warmer if the warm front can get farther to the north. But then once we get beyond the 7-day forecast, we do warm back up. And we're probably going to be trending towards drier weather as well. The Climate Prediction Center has us kind of between a big trough to the east and a big ridge to our west, which is not favorable for thunderstorms and severe weather, and basically means that we could be we may get something off that jet stream there, but we're kind of trending towards maybe some drier weather as we get towards the end of May. We'll see how things play out. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Thursday. I'll be back with you on Friday morning with all the latest. Take care, and God bless.